Hey, WTI. We have a small collection of records that we really love. We really enjoy playing them, but I did not have them organized very well, and I didn't really have them protected either. So I'm so happy to have this vinyl record organizer by Vaultz. I really love it. A few things that really stick out to me is, first of all, the color. It's this really pretty mint color, which is actually kind of close to the color of my record player, so it was a perfect choice for me. And I just appreciate that it is obviously made to store these vinyls, so it is designed to keep them safe. My record collection kind of varies between brand new records and then also really old records that I have found in record stores. So some of them are not in the best condition, and it is really important for me to keep them safe. And that's exactly what this record keeper does for me. I'm able to keep them nice and organized now. I actually put them in alphabetical order. They were just a hot mess before. So I can super easily just look through them and find the record that I am looking for. And I know that it's going to be there, and I know that it's going to be kept nice and safe for me. It comes with the ability to set a code on this lock. So if you are storing high value records that are really precious to you, you're able to keep them extra safe and secure. It has a really nice kind of felt lining inside, so it keeps those records protected. It looks really nice on display. So you can close this up, you can easily carry it with you if you need to move or you need to store your records somewhere, but also you can open it up and have your records on display if these are records that you play on a regular basis. I highly recommend this to keep your record collection organized, but that's just my point of view.